Hello and welcome back to my scrap room. My name is Jennifer Perry and I am an independent consultant with close to my heart. And today we are going to be working on the third layout of the documented workshop your way that can be found in the Seasonal Expressions 2 catalog. This catalog is live May through August of 2018. So if you're looking for the documented workshop, it's going to be on page 47. So for this layout, it is layout 3 of the workshop, and I have started using the Pocket Plus Memory Protectors add-on portion of the layout to show you how to bump up this layout even further from the original version. So you will need to order, in addition to the workshop, you'll need to order D1 and D3. Now, if you already have these, then you only need one of each. I will show you those at the end of the video, but let's get started. And by the way, my cat's behind me, and she's wanting to sound pitiful, so if you hear her, she's begging for water. She has 3 water bowls, and they all have fresh water in them, but that's not good enough. So she's being a typical kitty and wanting fresh water her way. But don't worry about it. She's got 3 bowls, 1 downstairs, 2 upstairs. She's good. Okay, so as always, I've got this pre-cut. This is the Pocket Memory Plus Pocket Pages that I'm going to show you at the end of the layout. And I'm going to get everything separated really quickly. Okay, so that goes there. 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 And these guys. 3x4, 3x4. Go there. Okay. So let me do this real fast so I don't forget my placements. Okay. I'm going to do the mat on this one real fast so I don't forget my placements. And it is fresh in my brain. Okay, so I'm going to set the right side aside. And I'm going to work on the left side, and I'm going to do my mat really quickly. And I can set it aside real fast. Okay, so we need this to be here, like that. I said 2 inches from the bottom. So 2 inches from the bottom. When the layout gives me measurements, I use them. When they don't give me layout measurements, I guesstimate. So then this needs to be trimmed to be a flag. I'm going to do it from this side so I can see what I'm doing. The other reason the cat is meowing her head off is Tinkerbell has moved out. She moved in with Kayla. That's not the best flag, but it'll work. She moved in with Kayla, and Callie is missing her best playmate. Not that they liked each other. They did not like each other, but Callie enjoyed tormenting her. So they want this one 2 inches from that bottom. Callie's not quite sure what to do with herself today, because her best playmate that she loves to torment doesn't live here. For those that don't know, Tinkerbell was the 4-pound Chihuahua. Callie is the 13-pound cat. Thought I made my flag too big, but I didn't. And they want this a 1/2 inch from the side. Hold on, this is a bunch of measurements today. I try to put my little tick marks in spots that it won't be seen. Okie dokie. So they want this sticker up here. They want and they want the word love right there. These are the what are they called? What are they called? Wooden words. That's what they're called. They're the documented wooden words, and they have adhesive on the back, which makes it incredibly easy to attach them. Except don't put them on top of the chipboard or you'll never find them again. And then the word memories is right here. Okay, memories is right here. I'm going to go off to the side and take it out because the chipboard leaves little fuzzies all over the place. Okay, that took 44 hours. So I'm going to take just a little bit of liquid glass. This is the liquid glass that we sell. I just put a fine line top on it to make it easier for me. Next time I order a bottle of liquid glass, I will video how to put the fine line tip on. I went through buying fine line bottles and just squirting it in the bottles, and it just, once I figured out, if you're ordering the fine line tips, the one with the blue neck fits our bottles, saves you a whole lot of time. Just hold that down for a moment. Okay, they've got this tiny little dot here. I'm not going to try and put that on. I'm going to use a sparkle to do that one. I'm going to do the awesome memory sticker. Okay. So I'm going to set this one aside and pull up the other sheet. Let that one dry for a moment. Go ahead and dovetail this one while I'm thinking about it. This is our journaling block. Just put that there. Okay, so we need 2 inches from the bottom. And this is going to be 2 inches from there. little crooked. It's okay. And then this is going to be 1 inch from there. Okay, so we've got our last word sticker. Uh-oh, and I just broke it. But that's okay, I'll make it work. That's the first one I've ever broken. A little bit of liquid glass and you will never know. And then we've got one of these little stickers that goes here. And a whole bunch of little flowers. So flower, 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 flower. Any more flowers? No more flowers. Okay, so we still need our compliments, so we're going to leave those there. Next up is the sparkles. Now with the sparkles, I use a craft knife to put my sparkles on. Just be mindful if you do that the craft knife is very sharp and it will cut you. So just be very careful when you're using it. But for me, this is just the easiest way that I have found for myself. Some people like to use tweezers. Some people like to use their fingers. Some people like to use the pokey sticks. I'm not sure how I came about that this works for me, but I've been doing it for years and it works out just fine. Unless I get one that sticks to the knife. Okay. So this is the actual layout, but I'm going to show you this is the pocket pages, and I have to do something with this one. This one gets a door. And I'll show you where these instructions are. These instructions are right here. So it gets the door and then it gets the flowers. Put these cards in so I would not lose them. as soon as I get pictures, I'll be able to write on that what these pictures are. But until then, that's just going to stay blank. I think that's it as far as embellishing. Yes, it is. Okay, so let me put my toys away. So when you're looking at the layout in the scrapbook, it's going to be, yep, that's right. It's going to look like this in the scrapbook. So you have this, and then you're going to have photo, 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 journaling, photo, 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 and journaling. And that is how you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 photos on one layout. Thank you for spending your Sunday morning with me. If you enjoyed this workshop, please click the link below, order your copy. You are able to watch this video as many times as you would like to play along with me. Again, I do not get paid to make the videos. I only get paid when you order the supplies from my website. My website is myscraproom.net. That will lead you to my blog, and then you just hit the shopping tab and it takes you to my shopping site. Until next time, I hope you had a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.